The second foam roller exercise that we're going to look at is a TFL stretch. This muscle connects from the hip up to the top of the pelvic bone. The first part of the stretch, Josh is going to move perpendicular to the roller, trying to identify a tender spot in this muscle. Okay, and once he's found a tender spot there, he's then going to roll himself parallel along the roller to really get into that muscle and trying to stretch it out. And rotating back and rolling back through. Good. And after 1 to 2 minutes on this point, he can then move perpendicular again to try and locate any other tender spots in the muscle before pausing and then repeating the same parallel roll.